Hello dear student, good morning and very happy new year to all of you. Hope you all are fine. Today I will be introducing a very important instrument for Indian classical music or dance, that is tabla. So let's begin. Pair of drum which is called tabla. It has been evolved or it has been found in Vedas too, at the age of Vedas, and then it's years and years over, and it has been modified and it has been recreated according to the musician and the need of the musician. So mainly this is called right part, which is called daya, and this is expected to be played by the left hand, so that is called baya, because the hand is going to get this importance, so thus it creates the name. This is daya and this is baya. Mainly this is a hollow shaped vessel. This is wooden and this is made of earthen pot, or nowadays this is available in steel also, or copper also it is available. This is also a hollow space vessels. Now this upper part, it is made with, this upper part is made with leather and the skin of animals. And now there are some parts are there and it's having name. Those who are learning tabla, they must be knowing, so as well as you will also learn right now. There is a space. This is a woven part. This is weaved, hand woven part. This is called gajra. This is gajra. This is holding this this portion. It is holding this portion. It is beneath that portion. This is called, this leather portion, this is called maidan. And this is the part, this is called chati, where we need to put this. This is chati. This is gajra. And this is called syahi. This black part on both the portion, both the instrument, this is called syahi. This black portion is called syahi. This is made of flour, some black powder sort of charcoal, and with rice. I'll tell you later on that why it has been put over there. And this is another portion, and between this syahi and this chati, this blank portion, this blank portion is called maidan, as if it's a khula spot, open space, so that this is called maidan. And this is a part, it's a kind of border. This is called chati, and this is here also. This is here. This is available here. This can be seen here even. This is a hand woven part. This is called gajra. Now how does it play? And there are many more things are there. These strings are called baddhi. Since it is tied with this, and this is called baddhi. And this portion, these wooden blocks, cylindrical wooden blocks are called gatta. This cylindrical wooden blocks are called gatta. And here also it is available, this baddhi. This is of thread. This is been done thread, been done with thread, this Badhi portion, and here also some rings are there. Since this is a metallic or earthen pot, it's having a different system to tuning. Now, right now, let me come back to the technique that why these things are being put here. See, these instruments are creating sounds. So, what is our desire, the instrumentalist or the player's desired sound? It will be depending on that. It's a different range of sound, different range of tunes are there. So, accordingly, how to tune this with this help of hammer. Within this small hammering, this can be tuned this way, and sometimes it happens with this hammering on this gatta. So this is going to go down, and so that more strain will be here in this badhi on those strings. As it goes down, it creates more strain here on this surface. So the more stretchy will be stretched, it will be stretched all the way. It will getting a clear, more tonal tune will be higher. If I'll make it loose, if I'll loose, then this surface will be slackened down. So here it will be low sound, bass sound. Okay. So this is mainly done for tuning this instrument. So here also in this baya, if it is pulled down this way, it will be loosened. If I put it up, it goes tighter here on the surface, so it gets a clearer sound. So these are the instrument. This is called tabla, which is very important for dance or Indian classical music, and there are various kind of parts are there, and this is a helping tool, or it's a mainly this is a which is supporting the music system or music dance very widely like a friend. So this is instrument to accompany those who are accompanying in dance or music, or individually it's playing beautiful tabla recitals. It creates an amazing sound. So today you have learned about tabla, what tabla is. So once more I am clarifying this various parts of this daira, that is syahi, maidan, chanti. This is gajra, a hand woven part surrounded here. This is called badhi, made of leather. This entire part is made of leather. Badhi. This is gatta, and this entire part is done on a hollow vessel. That is hollow vessel of wooden vessel. This is a hollow wooden vessel, and this is daya. Now this is baya, made of earthen hollow pot. Here also this surface is, this upper portion is covered with animal skin or leather. There are parts like syahi, maidan, chanti, gajra, a woven part surrounded here this circumference. This is badhi, and this is made of earthen hollow pot, or else this is available in steel or copper made vessels also. So both together are called tabla. So here are the very basic information about tabla, and it's my wish that you please search for more so that you can listen to the maestros, those who are playing amazing, creating amazing music through this instrument. So here just simply I have given information about tabla, which is very important for our dance and vocal music too. Now let's switch over to our dance. Hope you have enjoyed this session of learning about tabla, and you must have enjoyed you must have gathered the information, you must have gathered the important informations about tabla. In the coming session or coming class, I will be bringing another instrument which is very important for our dance. Let's wait for that. So, without talking, let's switch over to our normal regular class, that is dance. So, let's begin with this dance, Bhumi Pranam. Since we have started our class, begin our class with some instrument that is related to tal. So let me recall back, or let me remind you what tal is. Tal, according to the theory of tal, मात्राओं के समूह को हम ताल कहते हैं. Tal is a supporting system. Tal is a supporting system to either to dance or music. So we are creating tal जब हम बहुत सारे मात्राओं को, और according to the wish or according to the system of this music, matra, various number of matras or beats together, put together just to create a tal. Tal is a discipline, tal is a system. So, like as we have learned tin tal. So that means tin tal, 16 matra, we have gathered, we have made it sum of 16 beats together, so we could make tin tal. How tin tal? Tin tal purna matra sankhya 16 matra. There are 4 divisions. Each divisions are having 4 matra. There are 3 talis and 1 khali. What is the importance of this tali and khali? Tali and khali creates the variation in the tal, the variation in the system. Tali, wherever it is giving us stress, because tal is going in a simply same discipline. But just to make this improvising, or just to make interesting, make the thing interesting, or variation into this, it has been created in such a way, uniqueness. Thus, tin tal having tin tali, 1 khali. Let me just tell you the way it is to be read. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, da, na, tin, tin, na, tit, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. So you must have noticed there are 3 tali, 1, 2, 1 khali, 3 tali. And why we have gone various spaces? There are 4 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 divisions, and each divisions are carrying 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 fours are 16. That is tin tal. Now, as we have done in tin tal, kramalaya tatkar we have done, followed by tihai. So today we are not going to do that. Instead, based on tatkar, we will be doing some footwork, and that is called ladi. What ladi is? You must have noticed, or you must have heard this term ladi. When in Deepavali and all, लाइट्स की लड़ी लगते हैं, फूलों की लड़ी लगते हैं. तो लड़ी इज अ सीरीज. लड़ी इज अ सीरीज ऑफ, if it is of lights, so it's a series of lights. If it is a of flower, so it is a फूलों की लड़ी. But here the series of wordings are there. It's a series of wordings, so that this is called ladi. तत्कार की लड़ी. So this will be coming to you in a series, or you will be performing in this ladi in a series. So let's begin. The number 1, ta 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 thei thei ta 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 a thei thei ta. This ladi will be focusing on numbers. So how did we have started? 1, 2, right, left, 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 right, left, right. This ta the the tat, a the the tat you have already learned. But here I am making a combination of numbers and ta the the tat as well. So how does it going? Tat, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat. So how does it go? So how does it go? This is going like this. Tat, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, 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 a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, 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 ta, thei, thei, tat, 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 a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat. And moreover, always you remember, since we are following the tal, the count, that is 16. So our composition will be 16. मतलब उस लड़ी के नापी हो, जो नाप होगा उस लड़ी का, उस 16 तक का ही होगा. Not less than that, not more than that. See, ta 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 thei thei ta 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 a thei thei ta ta thei thei ta a thei thei ta ta thei thei ta a thei thei ta. So this is the entire 16 matras composition. That was number 1. So let's come to the next series. Ta 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 a thei thei ta 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 a thei thei ta thei thei ta a thei thei ta ta thei thei ta a thei thei ta. So we have come switched over to the next number, that is 3. 1 2 3 ta thei thei ta 1 2 3 a thei thei ta thei thei ta a thei thei ta ta thei thei ta a thei thei ta. Hope things are very clear to you. Do it once again. Ta 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 thei thei ta 1 2 3 a thei thei ta. One more thing to be noticed, where I am placing this number ta thei thei tat or a thei thei tat, it has to start from there itself. Like numbers are going on right, 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 left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, and rest as it goes ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, this way. And the next number comes tat 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 ta thei thei tat 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 a thei thei tat, this way. So the number I will be dancing, that has to be done in a single leg only. Tat 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 1 2 3 ta thei thei tat 1 2 3 a thei thei tat. from the beginning. Number 2 and 3. Ta, 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 te, te, ta, 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 te, te, ta, te, te, ta, te, te, ta, te, te, ta, ta, te, te, ta, 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 te, te, ta, 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 te, te, ta, te, te, ta, ta, te, te, ta, te, te, ta, ta, te, te, ta. So we have learned 2 and 3. Now next number comes 4. Ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta. Things are going all same, but we need to set up the series. It's going in a series, and that we have to remember. 1 2 3 4 ta te te ta. 1 2 3 4 ta te te ta. Is that clear? 1 2 3 4 te te ta. 1 2 3 4 ta te te 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 ta. So this number, combination of this number, always we will be adding with dha din din dha dha din din dha na din din na te din din dha. Then again next number or the same thing you can practice. So all three together. Ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta te te ta ta te te ta te te ta ta te te ta ta ta. Acha. Each time we will be doing this thing twice. Number 2 twice, number 3 twice, number 4 twice. Whatever number comes, we will be doing it twice. Ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta te te ta te te ta ta te te ta te te ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta ta te te ta te te ta ta te te. और एक बार ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta te te ta ta te te ta te te ta te te ta 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 te te ta ta te te ta te te ta te te ta te te ta ta te te ta 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 te te ta 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 te te ta te te ta ta te te ta te te ta te te ta. Now next number will be after 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 ta the te ta. 1 2 3 4 5 a the te ta. This is the way. 1 2 3 4 5 ta the te ta. 1 2 3 4 a the te ta ta the te a the te ta ta the te ta a the te ta. 1 2 3 4 ta the te ta. 1 2 3 4 5 a the te ta the te ta a the te ta the te ta a the te ta. So this will be going like this. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the first time that we will be using both the legs from 5 onward. 1 2 3 4 5 ta the te ta. 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? Ta the ta ta the ta ta te. 1 2 3 4 5 ta the te ta. 1 2 3 4 5 a the te ta. See, this lari is very important for Kathak, whereas it clears your mind and the skill of footwork as well. That how you have to switch over your footstep according to the numbers. So 5, the very first time we will be using this number during numbers, switch we will be using both the legs. 1 2 3 4 5 ta te te ta 3 4 5 a te te ta te te ta te te ta te te ta te te ta. 1 2 3 4 5 ta te te 1 2 3 4 5 a te te ta te te ta a te ta te te ta te te ta. So we were doing number 5. So till number 5 I will be showing you at a stretch from 2 to 5. So let's begin. Ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, 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 three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, again, ta, 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 three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, 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 three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, 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 three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ah, three, three, ta, ah, three, ta, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, 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 three, three, ta, ah, three, ah, three, three, ta, three, three, ta, three, ta, ta, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, 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 ah, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ah, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ah, three, three, ta, three, three, cha, ta, three, three, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ah, three, three, ah, three, three, ta, three, three, ta, ah, three, three, ta, ah. Now you can just go double. Ta, three, ta, ta, three, ta. So this is the thing to be practiced to reach this speed. And after this tatkal or ladi as we were saying is a series of combination or the composition. This is to wind up with a tihai that we will be learning in the coming week. So this is a bit tough, and if you practice, nothing is going to be tough for you, and I hope you will be practicing this lesson very carefully, regularly. This is enough for today. Till then, keep practicing, do your study well, stay yourself safe.